Okay. What is good, guys? What is up? Welcome back to another video. And this is day 6 of trading until I buy a funded account. And today's trade was a banger, a very high risk to reward trade. And yesterday I called it that this new entry confirmation. Yeah, because I recorded a trade recap yesterday. This new entry confirmation strategy that I got is a banger, and I really think that it's going to yield mob and great results in my trading. I called it yesterday, and today it happened after a losing trade. So in this trade, this trade was let me see. It was a 1 to 3 RR trade, very high risk to reward, and I was risking only 5 pips to gain 15 pips, which is, because yesterday I lost 4 pips, today I made 15 pips. So I made yesterday's losses and some of the previous days, though not all, but a percentage of it, which is really great. And this trade was top tier. I caught it in London session, though London session today was very bad, because at first we consolidated like for a good, let me see, was it 4 hours? Yeah, we consolidated for about 4 hours, because usually I take my trades in the first or second hour of London session, but in today's session price was not moving, it was just consolidating, which was really bad. But I waited until I got a setup, and I'm really lucky that I exited the market with a win, and I'm really so happy. And at first, this trade I was going to use a 1-to-1 hour trade risk to reward. I was going to use a 1-to-1 hour risk to reward, but I decided that today let me see what the market does. And the market delivered swiftly with high volume, and the candles it first consolidated into drawdown, but after that the market dropped down significantly, hitting my TP with a very strong bearish move. So it's really great. The trade was really great, and I'm here to show you guys the trade. Remember, this is day 6 and everything is going very well. So let's go into the trade recap. We first mark out market open. So market open was right. No, price only consolidated for 2 hours, but it also consolidated. So market open was right here, and as you can see, price was on this entire move. Price was only consolidating this entire move. Price was not giving me a clear direction at first. Price was not giving me a clear direction where it wants to go, but I waited and I wanted to see a very high probability setup, and I got it, because after price was consolidating, it left behind this swing high right here, this 1 hour swing high right here, and I wanted to see price trade into this swing high, wait for a candle closure, and then get my entry confirmation in the 1 minute time frame. So after price took out this high, I dropped down to the 1 minute time frame to look for my entry confirmation. Which was right here. See, price from this swing high, this swing low right here, and it took it out, leaving behind a fair value gap. Then I placed my entry at the fair value gap. Price came back, tagged me in, first consolidated into my drawdown. And the reason why I give a very large breathing room for my trades, it's because these are forex players. Forex players have very high spreads. I don't know why, but they have very high spreads, which is really bad, but I don't have anything to do about it. Hopefully one day I will shift away from forex and start trading futures, but I need to first learn how to adapt to these market conditions. So placed my entry here, gave my stop loss a bit of breathing room because my stop loss initially had to be somewhere here, so I increased like another 2 pips to make 5 pips in the stop loss, which was a really great trade. And price just started dropping down, and this candle was the one that made it all happen. I don't know why there was no news, but price just dropped significantly with a high, with a very strong move, tapping into my take profit. Yeah, that it was the trade. Very clean trade, 1 to 3 hour. I really liked it. I really liked it a lot. And I really hope that I catch more good trades in the future. And here's my chart, right? Yeah, I was saying, I really hope that I catch more great trades in the future from these concepts, and I'm really happy that my analysis works, and I really hope that it continues working throughout this challenge and throughout my trading. So I'll leave the live execution of the trade in the description of this video, and I already post TikTok video about every live execution. You can go and check it out. I'll leave the link of the TikTok in the video of this description. So that was the trade. Peace.